Players, it's time for another riveting episode of The Apprehended, starring Frumpy to the motherfucking dump, filmed at Tyler Perry Studios in Georgia and directed by District Attorney Willis. On the last episode of The Apprehended, now it's going to be very interesting going forward to see who will be the next one and the next one and the next one to flip. We'll see. I'm going to put my money on Jenna Ellis. So I was correct. It's time for Jenna Ellis to come on down. She is the next one to flip on Frumpy to the motherfucking dump. So Jenna, I got farted on by human Skidmore Giuliani, served as Frumpy Dump's attorney during his efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. Now, when she was arrested and had to take that good old mugshot in Fulton County, she insisted that she was innocent, honey, and began begging and bartering for money to pay her legal fees, honey. She even got upsetted to the highest level of upsettedness that Frumpy Dump nor any of his super PACs were paying for her attorney's fees. Now, even though she insisted that she was innocent and that she would fight this thing all the way to the Supreme Court, baby, she has struck a plea deal with Fulton County prosecutors. So she pled guilty to a single misdemeanor count of aiding and abetting false statements and writings. So as a part of the plea deal, Jenna, I got farted on by human Skidmore Giuliani, must serve 5 years probation, complete 100 hours of community service, pay $5,000 in restitution, and testify in any future trials of co-defendants in this case. Now, she was also ordered, just like Sydney, I see dead people when I look in the mirror, Powell, to write a letter to the citizens of Georgia. Now, Jenna went a whole nother way and actually read this letter in court. Now, I want y'all to pay very close attention to her face, because even though she's sniffling and pretending like she's crying, she didn't drop a single damn tear. Y'all take a look.
I endeavored to represent my client to the best of my ability. I relied on others, including lawyers with many more years of experience than I, to provide me with true and reliable information, especially since my role involved speaking to the media and to legislators in various states. What I did not do, but should have done, Your Honor, was to make sure that the facts the other lawyers alleged to be true were in fact true. In the frenetic pace of attempting to raise challenges to the election in several states, including Georgia, I failed to do my due diligence. I believe in and I value election integrity. If I knew then what I know now, I would have declined to represent Donald Trump in these post-election challenges. I look back on this whole experience with deep remorse. For those failures of mine, Your Honor, I have taken responsibility already before the Colorado bar who censured me, and I now take responsibility before this court and apologize to the people.
I didn't see a single tear fall from them eyes, honey. It is the change of season, and she was sniffling because her sinuses are a little bit inflamed. That's the only reason why, honey. She don't feel sorry for anyone but herself. Child, District Attorney Willis is on her way to winning the World Series at this point. She's 4-0. And she has 4 defendants that have to testify truthfully against anybody that decides to take this to trial. Now, I'm going to go and do the same thing I did last time. Who do you guys think will be next to flip? My money is going to go on Misty Hampton, or, I'm going to go with Misty Hampton first. Let's see what comes out in the Washington arrangement of this. Baby, this is ridiculous and a hot boo-boo shitty mess. Now, Jenna Ellis was already punished when she got farted on by human Skidmore Giuliani. So this right here is just adding more insult to her injuries. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. But I feel sorry for not a single one of them. Players, y'all put your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. This is Double D Mother for a brand new episode of The Apprehended, starring Frumpy to the motherfucking dump.